I've got my supplies with me and I'm ready to go. It's a little bit squashed. Let's move things out. So this time I'm going to do tutorial number 4 on this page, but I want to do it 9 times. So I'll be doing tutorial 16 to get 3x3 tiling, and then number, what did I say? Number 7. And hopefully I'll decide as I go in terms of the colours. So hopefully you can see a theme. All the colours are based on this. I might focus in a little bit. We'll see, we'll see. Okay, let's go. Okay, I think I'm done. So let's see if it went through to the other side. Nope, all good. This time I used the fine liners, so they were fine. Even though when I have those splotches, I used colouring pencils and I used felt tip pens. They're not super thick felt tip pens and they're not alcohol based. So these are all good. And what tutorials did I use? I believe I said number 7 and 16. Let me just check. Yeah, so it's number 7 on number 16 from my YouTube channel. And I believe today is the 16th. So have a go, enjoy.